dictation material has been obtained from official para 13 and unseen para. Any persons desiring to use the water of any canal may apply in writing to the divisional or subdivisional canal officer of the division or subdivision of the canal from which the water course is to be supplied, requesting such officer to construct or improve a water course at the cost of the applicants. Full stop. The application shall state the works to be undertaken, their appropriate estimated cost or the amount which the applicants are willing to pay for the same, or whether they engage to pay the actual cost as settled by the divisional canal officer, and how the payment is to be made. Full stop. When the assent of the canal officer authorized in this behalf by provincial government is given to such application, all the applicants shall, after the application has been duly attested before the collector, be jointly and severally liable for the cost of such works to the extent mentioned therein. Full stop. Any amount becoming due under the terms of such application and not paid to the divisional canal officer or the person authorized by him to receive the same amount on or before the date on which it becomes due shall, on the demand of such officer, be recoverable by the collector. Full stop. Unseen para. By almost all measures, the post Second World War landscape is more peaceful, stable, and prosperous than what came before. Full stop. For starters, it has not witnessed anything resembling the two devastating world wars that in many ways defined the 20th century and which came a mere 20 years apart. Full stop. Much of the current relative peace and prosperity is due to the set of institutions that was created by the international community for the primary purpose of preventing another global configuration. Full stop. Several institutions, none more important than the United Nations, were established to promote the peaceful resolution of conflict and mutually beneficial trade and cultural exchanges. Full stop. How, despite the best efforts of the international community as represented by the United Nations Security Council, the body tasked with maintaining global peace, the world periodically finds itself virtually helpless in the face of flagrant violations of not only the United Nations Charter but also the organizing principles on which this international order rests. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat and Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shadra, Lahore.